Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, this is the Mystery Box Monday unveiling of the red and pink box. So this is the second video that I did of this. The first video that I did on Monday before I went live, I must have erased it, or I don't know what I did, but I don't have it anymore. So I had to re-record the video. I had to open the box of stuff up and re-record the video. So here is the red and pink box. So I'm going to show you everything that was in the box, and I'm going to go over the clues that I gave you. So again, for those of you just tuning in, this is the unboxing, the revealing of the red and pink box from the Mystery Monday event. So this box was the red and pink box. It retails for $88, and I sold these boxes for $25. There were a total of 19 items in the box, and both of them sold out, so they're no longer available. So let's go over the clues. So one of the clues was that you plug this into the wall and it requires electricity. So that was this, the Revlon blow dryer. And the blow dryer is black, but it's in a red box. So remember, everything in the box is either red and pink, red or pink, red and pink, or the packaging's red or pink, okay? There are 3 things in here for your mouth or teeth area, and that is the Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste, the regular Colgate Whitening toothpaste, and then the EOS Strawberry Sorbet Lasting Hydration Lip Care. I love this. It has shea butter in it too. You'll love that, whoever bought them. Then I have something for health and overall health and wellness. That was a clue. That these are these women multivitamins. Okay. There was a clue that there was something in here for your fingers. So here is some pink sparkly fingernail polish. There's 2 things in here for your toes. So that is the 2 pairs of cozy fuzzy socks that we all love to wear, as well as you could put the fingernail polish on your toes, or you could put the lotion on your toes, the Jergens lotion. There is something disposable in here. That is the pack of Bic Soleil razors. There's something cherry almond scented. That's the Jergens lotion. So some of the clues, guys, actually apply to multiple items, but some of the items were specific clues for. There's a boost. There's 2 things in here that gives a boost to energy. So that would be the vitamins. And then there is a 5-hour energy drink here. Something that you use in the shower or bath. That's the Jason's body wash. And then there's something, I said there was something specifically for the eyes. You can't use it on any other part of your body but your eyes. So that would be these 2 I can always have a hard time saying this. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin C soothing eye gel mask. And there are 2 of those, so you can have 2 applications. So I said these were specifically for your eyes. I mean, you can use them on other parts of your body, but they were made for your eyes. And then I said everything here weighs like 5 pounds. But the things I didn't give a clue for is this picture frame, which is red and pink. And it has a little stand on the back so it can stand up. And then you have 2 little gift bags. 1 red one, 1 pink one. And then I threw these in just for something cute and just different. So here's some M&Ms, and of course they have red in them. Here's a Kit Kat, which has red in it. And my favorite, the Lindor chocolate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's your 19 items. So this was everything in the red and pink box. Again, it retailed for $88. So if you were to go to Walmart or Dollar General or somewhere to buy this, you would have paid $88 for all of this. But of course, if you were to go into like Rite Aid, Walgreens, or CVS, because their prices are a little more inflated, you would have paid a little more for this. So if you would have gone to one of those three stores, you may have paid, say, like 95, 100, 105. But I retail this at my prices at $88, and I sold two of these boxes for $25. So if you guys like what you see and you like this, then make sure that you tune in this coming Monday, because every Monday I go live at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I have a new mystery box. Every Monday, the box is different. It's a different cost, a different size, different items, different themes, different value. So just tune in, and what I do is I give you the clues as to what is in the box. I give at least 10 clues. Sometimes I give more, and then you can guess what's in the box. But the first person who sends their money either via PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Facebook Pay, or Zelle, you're able to purchase the box. And I will tell you how many of the boxes I have available. So I had 2 of these boxes available. So the first 2 people that sent me their $25 got this box. And that's the same way it will work every single Monday. If you are not local to Harrisburg, I will ship the boxes out. You do pay for shipping, but I will ship them priority mail, and I ship them out the next day, Tuesday morning. If you're local to Harrisburg, you can come pick your box up as soon as I'm done with the live or anytime. Then on Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I show a pre-recorded video like this one showing you everything that was in the box. That way, if you were curious as to what was in the box and you didn't buy it, you get to see what was actually in the box. And the reason I wait until Friday is because I figure by Friday, the people who purchased the boxes should have had their boxes, or should have received their boxes and had opened them and have been able to experience them and enjoy their boxes, so that I'm not spoiling their surprise. So then you can see what you didn't purchase, and then you can come back Monday and see if you want the next week's box. And that's exactly how it works. So I thank you guys so much. This Mystery Box Monday event has been going very well. This was our 3rd week, and every week we have sold out. And all of my customers are very, very pleased. So I'm so happy with the way it's going. And the longer we go and the more people that buy and the more people we have on the live, I will up the number of boxes. And remember, every week the box is different. There's different things, different items, different value, different cost. Everything's just different. So again, I thank you guys for tuning in. If you are watching me on YouTube, I ask that you please hit the subscription button, hit the bell right next to it so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. If you are watching me on Facebook, hit that follow button. And always, until the next time, keep on saving.